Okay, so we're off. We're off to start these estimates today. Typically, this is like every other day. I'm kind of a person of routine. I've planned the day last night. I don't just wake up and whatever happens. So generally, I know what I'm walking into, especially if I'm meeting somebody today. We're not meeting anybody. We're just doing some commercial walkthroughs for customers I work for, so they don't even have to be there. I know what they expect, and they know what they're gonna get. Okay, so the first real stop of the day is the office. And I don't mean the office where we work. I mean the office. So I stop here every morning. Anybody who knows me knows I eat pretty well. Occasionally some cheat meals here and there with the family at home and when I'm out and about. But I don't really get food here. I just stop here, get a couple drinks, get some water for the road, and this is where I do any of my pre-estimate stuff. So if you're going to be doing estimates, I recommend having Wi-Fi. I have Wi-Fi in the truck, so I can bring my laptop with me and just get some things done. I'll typically enter in, if not already entered in, the client's information. Today's information is already loaded in the computer. All I have to do is enter in the actual deals, and then when I do them in my proposal, the prices automatically update from the proposal. So I'll be here a while. I answer emails once in a while. I don't answer emails all day long. That's one rule I've always had. I do them once or twice a day. If you're answering your emails all day long, you can make a lot better use of that time. And in another blog or vlog, I'll show you how I answer my emails. It'll save you a ton of time just by making a few little tweaks. Okay, we're back. So I'm back in the truck, and the first thing that we do, usually this is done by Tanya in the office, but she doesn't know about these estimates I'm doing today. So it'll be a surprise to her. So I have to enter in the client into, we use Pipeline Deals. It's it keeps track of everything that has to do with our customers. I recommend it. We've used it for years now. Keeps everything in there, all the communication with them, emails, money going back and forth, or money not going back and forth. If we're having any payment issues. Basically anything we need to do, and everybody has access to it who needs to have access to it. So the client's already added in. I'm not going to say who that is. And then we go into an add a deal. So we're not going to put the amount in right now because I didn't do the estimate. But the second thing we have to put in is the stage. It's presentation. Obviously presentation now. It could be lost, won, dead. I mean, you can see all the deals. Decided not to bid. So we're in presentation. The owner is me. I'm going to do the estimate. If it wasn't me, it could be Adair, Kyle, Tanya. And our source is returning customer. It's important to track your sources. If you're not tracking your sources, you don't know where all that marketing money's going. So if you're just throwing out advertising money, if you're even advertising, you need to know where that money's going. So our status, we use colors in the office. Right now it's going to be in yellow because we haven't done anything. Type of work. So again, we track all the different types of work and where all that money's coming from the different types of work, what's working, what's not working, what we can get rid of and eliminate, and what we need to really push forward on. So we're looking for facility repaints. We don't have colors yet, job's not scheduled, job's not started, and all this other stuff we don't need. We're going to hop down to here. Who's the estimator? It's me. And the only other important thing to put here is the deal city. Why are we putting the deal city? It's because I like to know, again, we're tracking everything. So we want to know where our work's coming from or not coming from. So that's it. We click save. And we're good. We're not going to say who that is. And then we go into an add a deal. So We're not going to put the amount in right now because I didn't do the estimate. But the second thing we have to put in is the stage. It's presentation, obviously presentation now. It could be lost, won, dead. I mean, you can see all the deals. Decided not to bid. So we're in presentation. The owner is me. I'm going to do the estimate. If it wasn't me, it could be Adair, Kyle, Tanya. And our source is returning customer. It's important to track your source.